Hello, this is Özgür from Cabrox. We have a new generation stage box here. This product is collecting the cable and storage them safely. This is our 8 channel series, and we have also 12 channel, 4 channel and 2 channel. There is a slot backside of the box. We have options for the backside. We have multi-pin series, direct cable connection series, this up to 25 for studios, and analog CAT system. This system is analog, not digital. We can use 4 analog signal with 1 CAT cable, but this cable should be with shield. We are using this adapter, and here is our backside. We can connect our back cards. There are some connector inside, and we can connect with here. And it's too easy product. You can use what you need your cable. If you need 1 meter, you can use 2 meter or more than. And it collects cable just a few seconds. Yeah.
And then what's your website?
www.cabrox.com, and we have online shop also, and you can purchase from that.